Forming a multi-member LLC in California involves several critical steps that protect your business and ensure legal compliance. While the process might seem complex, breaking it down into manageable steps makes it straightforward. A multi-member limited liability company combines the liability protection of a corporation with the tax benefits and flexibility of a partnership. This business structure is ideal for entrepreneurs who want to start a venture with multiple owners while maintaining personal asset protection. To begin forming your California multi-member LLC, you must select an appropriate name. Your company name must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or LLC. The name must be distinguishable from other registered businesses in California. Certain words like bank, attorney, or university require additional paperwork or professional membership. Words implying government affiliation, such as Treasury or FBI, are prohibited entirely. Before finalizing your name choice, search the California Business Name Database to ensure availability. If your desired name is available, consider reserving it while you complete the formation process. Additionally, check for potential trademark conflicts by searching the USPTO database and California trademark records to avoid future legal issues. Every California LLC requires a registered agent, also called an agent for service of process. This person or business accepts legal documents on behalf of your company. Your registered agent must have a physical street address in California and be available during regular business hours. While you can designate a member of your LLC as the registered agent, many businesses opt for professional services to ensure consistent availability and maintain privacy. Within 90 days of forming your LLC, you must file Form LLC 12, the Statement of Information, with the California Secretary of State. This form can be submitted online by mail or in person with a $20 filing fee. After the initial filing, you must update this information every 2 years to maintain good standing. California imposes significant tax obligations on LLCs. Every LLC must pay an $800 annual franchise tax, regardless of income or activity level. This payment goes to the California Franchise Tax Board using Form 3522. Additionally, if your gross annual income exceeds $250,000, you must pay an estimated fee using Form 3536. Your LLC may also be subject to sales tax, employment taxes, and local business taxes, depending on your activities. The core of your multi-member LLC is the operating agreement. While not legally required to file with the state, this document is crucial as it defines each member's rights, responsibilities, ownership percentages, profit distributions, and management structure. Without a clear operating agreement, your LLC will default to state regulations, which may not align with your intentions. When establishing ownership interests, carefully consider each member's contributions, time commitment, and risk assumption. Many experienced entrepreneurs advise against equal 50-50 splits, as they can lead to deadlocks in decision-making. Instead, create a structure that reflects each member's actual contribution to the business. To formally establish your LLC, file Articles of Organization with the California Secretary of State. This document includes basic information about your company and requires a $70 filing fee. You'll need to specify whether your LLC will be member-managed or manager-managed. In a manager-managed structure, designated individuals run the company on behalf of all members. Additional documentation may include intellectual property assignment agreements to transfer relevant patents, trademarks, or other intellectual property to the company. If any members are married, spousal consent forms ensure that spouses agree to the operating agreement terms, particularly important in community property states like California. Many California LLCs elect S-corporation tax status by filing Form 2553 with the IRS. This election can provide tax advantages by allowing members who actively work in the business to receive both a reasonable salary and distributions, potentially reducing self-employment taxes on profits. After completing these formation steps, request an employer identification number from the IRS. This tax ID number is essential for opening a business bank account and hiring employees. Maintaining separate business finances is critical for preserving your liability protection. Finally, research and obtain any necessary business licenses and permits. Depending on your industry and location, you may need local business licenses, seller's permits, or professional licenses. The CalGold Business Permit System can help identify your specific requirements. Forming a multi-member LLC in California requires attention to detail and proper documentation, but provides valuable liability protection and operational flexibility. By following these steps and maintaining compliance with state regulations, your business will have a solid legal foundation for growth and success.